Honda has once again raised the bar with the release of the 2024 Honda CBR500, a motorcycle that combines refined performance, enhanced technology, and timeless style. While it may not boast revolutionary changes, the updates to this model solidify its position as a top choice for both new and experienced riders alike. At the heart of the 2024 CBR500 lies its 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, renowned for its smooth power delivery and the 2024 model features a new thin-film transistor (TFT) instrument cluster, offering improved visibility and a more modern aesthetic. Additionally, the revised switchgear with backlit controls ensures ease of operation, even in low-light conditions. The ergonomic design of the CBR500 remains as accommodating as ever, with a comfortable seat height and a riding position that strikes a balance between comfort. Despite the incorporation of new features, the 2024 CBR500 manages to shed weight, resulting in enhanced agility and maneuverability. Whether navigating city streets or tackling twisty roads, riders will appreciate the nimble handling of this motorcycle. Furthermore, the CBR500's iconic design receives subtle updates, maintaining its aggressive yet timeless appeal. While the 2024 Honda CBR500 may not revolutionize the midweight motorcycle category, its targeted improvements ensure that it remains a formidable competitor. With its refined performance, advanced technology, and stylish design, the CBR500 appeals to a broad spectrum of riders. Whether you're a novice seeking confidence or a seasoned